New laptop alert. AA. Shout out to Best Buy. Hooking it up. But not like that. It was on sale. Alright. Let's see what's inside. So, here we are. Picked it up last night at Best Buy. Haven't had a chance to open it aside from when I was testing it out at the store. I don't know why it's so difficult to open the box, but then again, I am working with one hand. Please hold. There we go. Boom, boom. So fresh, so clean. Look at that DELL. There it is. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, fancy. So fresh, so clean. Alright. So, as you can see, it has a 13.5 wide screen, slim bezels, black keyboard. Ooh, look at that backlight. Holler. So cute, so cute. But anyway, like I was mentioning about Dell versus Mac, honestly, it fit my budget. That was the biggest factor. You know, I want to start vlogging more and editing videos properly, and this was suggested. One of the biggest suggestions if you were going to get a PC, and you know, I think it's going to do good. If not, I'll look into getting a Mac later, but check that out. Highest quality is 1080p. So, yeah, let's give it a whirl. Okay, so we're in. Has all your apps right here. I haven't customized anything other than doing the whole setup with my username and password and Cortana. Not sure if I'm going to be using Cortana exclusively or just using my keyboard, sticking to the basics. But it has your standard Windows layout, nothing fancy, alphabetical order, search box, microphone. The camera's down here. I know a lot of people online were talking about how it being down there was kind of inconvenient because it shows nothing but your nostrils when you're chatting with someone or taking videos or whatnot. I'll figure that out. I'll manage. But yeah, it's my new laptop. Like I said, my focus was getting something of quality, something new, spoken highly of. I'll give it a whirl, see how it is for me in the next couple of months. I do a lot of office work, and I'll be working from home a lot, so having something light and compact was definitely a top priority, as well as cost. But I had a budget, decent budget of a couple thousand to spend. I didn't want to go over that. If I could stay under, it'd be even better. And I did just that. I bought it. It was on sale. First of all, it was cheaper than Amazon. That was nice, because typically I do not go into stores and buy things because who likes going anywhere, let alone having to put on a bra. But anyway, okay, so let me give you a little insight on basically how I got to this bottom line here compared to the original price of that. So basically, I bought this laptop with an open item discount, as you see right there. So that knocked off another $203. It was already on sale, so boom, another $200 equaling $400. I was given an additional discount by the employee who was super helpful. Shout out to Jonathan Padilla of Best Buy in San Francisco. Give him a raise. What else? So it's condition, it was excellent, certified. There are different ranges of conditions. You can buy things off the shelf, open box, whatnot. This is the highest quality, so I felt pretty secure about moving forward with my purchase, knowing that. He was explaining that most of the time people buy these expensive laptops and have buyer's remorse, so they end up returning it right away and just wanting their money back because, I mean, $2,000 is a lot of money. So basically, if I bought this off the shelf, brand new, it would have cost $1549.99 just for the device, just for this. No bells and whistles, no office, no virus protection, no support or extra care from Best Buy. Thankfully, because of the discounts, it was knocked down to $944.99. I mean, as soon as he told me that price, I was sold. Sold. S-O-L-D. Sold. I was happy because my budget was $2,000, which included the laptop and all of the bells and whistles. So the fact that I'm already saving over $1,000 is major. So major. So knowing that, I decided, okay, let me just add some bells and whistles. I bought my virus protection. I added Microsoft Office to my bill, and another year warranty just in case, since this is technically used. You just never know. Like I said, got my internet security, all that, and it came out to a total of $1323.04. And you know, I can't complain. This is my first time opening, so boom, as you see right there, for total savings of $725, guys. That's so major. Like $725. Now I can go buy a camera, or upgrade my equipment, or just save it for something else later down the line. But I just can't believe it. How cool is that? So you just never know what you'll find when you walk into a Best Buy or any other store. But it helps to ask questions. You know, don't be afraid to speak up, and if you're unsure about something as to why something is on sale, you know, I know we're all out here trying to save money, but you know, do some research, ask a lot of questions, because you just never know what you'll end up saving. Look at that. I was ready to spend a big chunk of my savings on a new laptop because of this new job I'm getting. And I ended up saving, boom, $725. Look at that. So amazing. So just something to think about when you go in to buy a laptop or anything at a store. Consider items that are, you know, in excellent condition, certified, or open item discounts. If you need a laptop or a camera and aren't, you know, too worried about the condition, or, you know, if you're willing to buy something used, I'd say go for it. I'll probably do an updated video regarding this laptop, maybe in 6 months or whatnot, just to see how, you know, it held up, or if it didn't, if I ended up returning it. So yeah, but for now I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna get it all set up on the Wi-Fi and download all the necessary programs that I need. But yeah, this is great. Looking forward to it. So that is the XPS 13 Convertible 2-in-1 touchscreen. It also, boom, check this out, turns into a tablet. So it's 2-in-1. I just touchscreen, I made it into a tablet. It's very versatile, very light. I can do a lot with it. Very impressed. Look at how thin that is. Nice. I'm gonna take it for a ride and let you guys know how it is. Thank you. So that was my experience buying the Dell XPS 13 Convertible. I'm gonna go through my quick start guide right now and see what it has to offer. You know, actually I'll let you guys know a little bit about it now. Let's see. I think I want to show you guys this part that I thought was really cool. Go. Alright, so these are the different modes. Uh-oh, something's happening. Boom. Alright, so these are the different modes. Notebook, tablet, stand, tent. Oh yeah. Just a bunch of shortcuts. Explains the ports. Function shortcuts. Yeah. So if you're in the market for a new laptop or a new computer, desktop, tablet, you know, maybe camera, TV, whatever it is you're looking for. And if you plan on going to Best Buy to shop, ask the employees just, you know, what they have on the shelves, if they have any open item discount devices on the racks for you to check out. And also, I didn't mention earlier, but I was able to sample this in the store. He took it out of the box. I turned it on. I set up everything to my with my name, my username, my password. Tested out the camera, the sound. It's all, I was able to do it all in the store. So that was definitely helpful when deciding if I was going to purchase this or not. So if you're ever shopping and want to get the best deal possible, it just doesn't hurt to ask questions, because you may walk out saving a gang of money. And yeah, thank you.